How to fix Telegram files not download problem. So if you are facing this issue, you need to watch this video to the very end. If your photos, videos or documents are stuck and they are not downloading, you don't need to worry. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step fix that you need. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So before we dive right into the video, like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell like this. Let's dive right in. So the first step you need to take right here in your Telegram app is to go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. It is no longer at the top left corner. So looking at the bottom of your screen, you need to go ahead and click on it like this. So right here, the next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on the settings option right here. Once you click on that, the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and scroll down and look for where you can see data and storage. So you need to go ahead and click on that like this. So looking here, you can see automatic media download. If yours is turned off like this, you need to go ahead and turn all of this on. So once this is turned on, it is actually going to allow Telegram to be able to download your photos, your documents, your files on Telegram. So this is very important that you turn on this toggle right here. You just need to turn on this toggle and then go ahead and check your internet connection to make sure you have a good internet connection, because if you don't have a good internet connection, even if these toggles are turned on like this, your Telegram wouldn't be able to download and save those files for you on your Telegram because you don't have a good internet connection. Looking there, you can see storage usage. Clicking on that like this, you're going to see the option of clear cache. So you need to go ahead and clear the cache of your app. Sometimes bug issues on your Telegram might actually make it not to be able to download files on your Telegram. So you need to go ahead and clear the cache as well. Once this is done, go to your Play Store or App Store like this, depending on the phone that you are using, and search for Telegram. And make sure you are using the latest version of Telegram. Looking here, you can see that my shows open. If yours says update, go ahead and update it. Make sure that you are using the latest version of Telegram so that you can actually get the best on your Telegram app. Now after this is done, the next step you need to take here is to restart your device. Go ahead and click on the power button and click on restart, and then restart your device. Once your device is restarted, you can now go back to your Telegram app and the issue is going to be fixed. So this is how simple it is for you to fix Telegram files not download problem. Hope you found this video helpful, because you've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.